It may not be Easter, but my Easter lilies are blooming extremely nicely. Did you know that you can actually use Easter lily for medicine? It's true. Easter lilies can be used to make tincture or a flower essence. Both of these types of medicines can be used to be applied topically to treat different ailments. So flower essence in general or flower tincture made from Easter lily can be used for issues that are created from stuck mucus. So for example, that persistent cough that won't go away where you just keep hacking and hacking. Easter lily treats that very easily. It also cures respiratory illness in general, but it is most effective for breast cysts.